Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Amazon speaker. Okay, so what we have to do, that's very simple. We have to turn on our speaker the first and then use two buttons, the power button and the play and the call button. We have to click and hold them together until this indicator starts blinking quickly and our connection will be turned off. After that, we have to release the buttons and manually remove this connection. So take a look. Click and hold these two buttons. As you can see right now it is blinking, so we have to release the buttons. The connection is turned off, so click to unpair and then select your Amazon speaker from the list. Accept pair. And there it is. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.